This is a 1953 Ford F100 that's currently live in our online auction. So this car's been through a full ground up build. There's heaps of information on it if you check out the specs, but I want to show you some of the smaller fabrication details you could easily overlook. So up front of the bonnet, it's had this badge shaved off the front with these earlier model F1 badges put on the side, and it's been converted to a reverse tilt. Down the front here, the headlights have the indicators, LEDs integrated into them and shaved off the front. No front bumper with a smooth gravel pan here, floating looking grille. Up on the side here, we've got the cowl vent would normally be in the top of the cab here. That's been shaved and the wipers have been converted over to right-hand drive. There's a vent here in the side of the cab that would only be on one side of these from the factory, and it's been custom put into the other side, so they're symmetrical. Later model door catches in the doors. There's seams in the front and the top of the cab here that have all been shaved and smoothed. Running boards are custom fabricated. The whole tub of the truck sits higher than factory, so it would normally sit down here somewhere. It's been moved up a few inches to get the proportions right. It's also got this custom fabricated section here to make that transition smoother. Through the guards here, it sits on 22s in the back. They've been extended to give it the right proportions with the lifted tub. It's had fuel filler relocated to the rear of the guards off the cab. Inside the tub itself, it's had all the bolt holes that would hold the guards on, shaved, smooth, mounted from the inside. A little set of tubs, and on the back here, you'd normally see Ford embossed in the tailgate. That's all been smooth with the rear bumper deleted. There's so many custom details in this truck. Make sure you check it out, guys. That's just a little taster of them. Click the link in the bio for all the info.